Meena, why are you standing up? You don't like that I'm going to Chennai?
No, nothing like that. But still, I'm scared thinking of something, you know.
Scared? What are you saying?
I'm also a very well-educated person. There are many girls in software companies. If I get any news regarding that, I know I will kill you, you know that?
I'll be enjoying my life and you will witness that.
If something like that happens, see what I'll do.
I'll marry you and I'll marry another girl.
What did you say? What did you say? Tell me, what is this? What did you say? Tell me that.
Yeah, Ma, I'm coming. Can I take leave? Bye.
What, Shiva?
Nothing, Auntie. Grandma?
Yes.
I'll take leave.
Be very careful when you
Yeah,
travel.
sure.
Okay,
Bye.
right?
Bye,
Okay,
Mom.
be
Don't
careful.
worry,
Take care.
Come on,
Okay, Dad.
you're getting
Bye.
late.
Okay, bye.
All right, all right.
Nisha?
Welcome.
Oh, wow. The house is so beautiful. Very nice, Vinod.
Thank you.
Do you live here?
No. This is my guest house.
Oh. Vinod, I have missed you so very much, you know.
Even I too missed you.
I'm really very happy, Vinod.
Hey, why are you changing? Fix in one channel.
Venu, our uncle wants to see some dance numbers. So can you please change the channel so that he can also enjoy?
Hi friends, there is an episode coming up regarding Valentine's Day on Sunday evening at 6 p.m. This episode is all about the victory of love. Many people come to the city in search of employment. But whether they get
Yeah,
employment
darling.
or not,
Shiva.
they definitely find love. The person you're viewing now is Shiva, a software engineer. Do you want to know who his lady love is?
Sis, please come fast. They're showing Shiva on TV.
She's
Oh,
also
Shiva,
a software
I'm coming.
engineer in
Come
his
and see
office.
Shiva.
Where is my grandson?
Do you want to know how their love started and when they're getting married? Do you want to know all this? Not only this couple but many other couples will be participating in this episode. Don't forget to view this episode on Sunday evening at 6 p.m.
Is this our Shiva? Che, he's bloody roaming with some other girl.
Oh no, I know about him very well. He wouldn't have done such things.
That is why I told his father not to send him. Now you see, he has destroyed all our prestige here. When he comes to know about this, I don't know what he'll do. When I told him, he never listened to me.
We will wait till brother comes. Then let us decide.
This moment, he should come from there. What should I tell to bring him back? You don't worry. Tell him that I am very serious. Mother-in-law.
Let your uncle come from his place, Meena. We'll ask him to inquire him. Look here, Meena. I feel like you're assuming things on your own. Please don't cry.
Come on, my son. You've been happily spending your days in sea.
Uncle, when did you come here?
Don't divert the topic. I went to Goa, Pondicherry and all the places, stayed there and just came last night. Do you know that? As I came, I knew that there were a lot of problems in the house. Nobody's happy.
No, Uncle. They called me and said Grandma is not feeling well. But she's perfectly alright.
Just listen to what I say. Last night I saw you on TV with a girl and everybody has lost their peace of mind. Why did he do such thing?
Uncle, please don't jump into conclusions. Auntie, at least try to understand.
Please don't talk to me. It's very right that she suspected you.
Mom, you're also believing this? I don't have any connection with that girl. Without my knowledge, somebody pranked on me.
Hey, you don't have to do that job. Don't go to city. I will not send you.
Mom, please, Mom. Except Meena, I don't have anybody in my heart. Will I do wrong to her? Okay, I have taken a decision. This very moment, I'll marry Meena, okay? At least can you trust me now?
Tomorrow morning, we are getting you and Meena married in the temple, my friend. Just see what all arrangements have
I'll
to
do
be
the
done.
arrangements. I'll take care of it. I want to celebrate now. I will go to the market and celebrate it well and come soon. Okay?
Yeah.
Shh, please
I'll
come
take
quietly.
care, uncle. Don't worry.
Why are you all weeping like this? See, he is my grandson and she is my granddaughter. Then why should you all weep like this? Tell them to go
You are
happily.
such a lovely grandmother. Mwah.
Be blessed, my child.
Darling, all of them will keep on talking and they'll delay us. Let's escape now, please.
Okay.
Oh, my beauty. Go, 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 go.
Bye, bye, Grandma.
Bye. Go safely.
Bye, everyone.
You know, there's someone who has come.
Let me see. You said that you will come only after 4 days.
Leave that
but,
topic. Who is this girl?
We know.
This is my girlfriend.
Why you asked her to come here?
No, she just came to see me.
First, go drop her at her home and come. Go.
It's not like that, Kalpana.
Just get out.
Vinod,
Come, let's go. Tell me, Vinod.
Kalpana, I left my laptop, diary, cell phone, everything in your house. I'm just coming to get it.
I thought you're a very good person. But your intention is too bad. I came to know everything about you. If you come home or if you try to call me, I'll lodge complaint on you.
Are you threatening me? You don't know about me.
What? You threatening me? I'm least bothered about my life. Your laptop, diary, mobile. You won't get anything. Just wait and watch. You cannot guess my move.
I hope you're not in trouble because of me. Hey, what's up? Why aren't you saying anything?
I'm not Vinod. Kalpana.
Kalpana?
Who are you? What is your name?
My name is Nisha. I'm Dr. Sitaram's daughter.
Your father is such a great person. Are you not ashamed of spoiling his name? As you think. Vinod is not a good person. Hereafter, please disconnect the contact with him. That's all I can say.
Hello.
I know you'll search for me one day.
Okay, leave all that. Why are you telling that he's a bad boy? I love him. I want to marry him. What's your problem?
Even initially, I thought he's a very good person, as he comes from a very good family. He treated me as if like he has good respect on me.
What proof do you have to accuse Vinod?
Nisha, you don't know what happened. I'm requesting you to leave this place.
I won't go.
Oh, is it? Then wait for a second. See this. Watch this. Watch, Nisha. You thought Vinod is a good person, but see what he has done. I know each and everything about him, all the secrets. You don't worry, Nisha. I'll take care.
Give me the phone, please.
This phone should be with me. It is more safe. You can leave.
Oh, okay. Where are you? Come out now, I say.
Hey, Nisha, welcome. Any problem?
You rascal.
I think Kalpana told everything about me too.
Why did you pretend to love me and why did you take that film?
Not only you. I filmed lot of girls and I distributed in net. You are just a miss.
What are you saying? You rascal! I will kill you! I will kill you!
Tell me, Vinod.
Daddy, I don't know how to say. I'm facing a very big trouble with Kalpana. My laptop, diary, cell phone, everything is with her. She's threatening and blackmailing me. I requested her a lot, but she's not giving those things. All my evidences are there in the laptop and cell phone. Daddy, actually I don't know what to do. I'm very much scared. Please, Daddy, please help me from this problem. If Kalpana goes to police means my future will be spoiled.
You don't worry about anything. Just pack up and go to Mumbai now. I will take care of that Kalpana.
Okay, Daddy.
Hey, no!
Sign, man.
Please, leave me.
Ask me to sign the paper.
No, I will not
If
sign.
not,
Be careful.
you will kill.
Don't lose your life.
Sign,
No,
Daddy.
no.
Hey,
Hey, sign.
hey.
Listen, don't get killed, man.
No,
Cannot
I won't
escape
sign.
without
Sign
signing.
that paper.
Please
Sign
leave
it.
me.
Hey,
Sign the document, you
Shout.
idiot.
do what we say. Hey, bend yourself.
No, I
Sign the
won't.
document.
No, I won't sign. No.
Hey, sign.
Please leave me.
Don't lose your life
I
for
already
this.
told you I will not sign. Yeah.
Listen to what we say.
No.
Do it.
What, man? Did he signed or not?
We threatened, we punched, we kicked him. But he hasn't signed yet.
Hey, do you know which place is this? Do you heard about the pyramid of Egypt? Likewise, this is Chandru's pyramid. So many people like you were buried in this place. What is your final decision?
Whoever you are, man, I will not sign in the document.
You won't listen to me, right? Look here. I received money from them. If you sign the document, you will reach your home safely. Or else, you will be buried inside. What do you want to do?
No, man, I will not sign in the document. Whatever happens, even if my life goes, I will not sign. Let's see what happens. Do whatever you want.
Kill him!
Bury that rascal. Amarnath sir, tell me sir, how do you do?
What to tell you?
What happened sir?
My son, he's got into a big problem with my relative's daughter, so I've just asked him to go to Mumbai. Whatever wrong things he has done, that laptop and cell phone is with her now. Our big fear is that she might go to the police now.
What do you want sir?
Before that girl goes to the police, all the evidence that she has should come to my hands.
What is it sir? It's a very normal matter. Just I finished a guy right now. For these type of assignments, I have my friend James. If you give money to him, he will do the work very cleanly.
Okay, let's do that. Carry on. Tell me, Chandru.
James, I need a favor from you. Okay, right now where are you?
I'm in Bangalore. Tell me, what is it?
There is important evidence with a girl. You have to take it out.
If you give me the money I ask for, not only the evidence, I will give you the girl also.
Look man, you finish the work. Money will be automatically credited. Okay?
Okay. Just send me the details of that girl by email. I will take care of the rest.
Okay.
Meena?
Huh? Kalpana? Hi, Kalpana.
Hi, Meena.
Been
It's
so
been
long
very long
since I
time.
saw
I
you.
have to ask this question. How come you're here? Are you in Chennai?
Yes, I'm in the city. Okay, are you married?
Yeah, it's been 1 year now.
Has your husband come here?
He's working for a company in Delhi as a GM. Monthly once only he'll come here.
Oh, so you're alone now?
Yes. Okay, when did you got married?
It's been only 2 months since I got married. I married my relation and I'm a very happy person now. I don't know anyone in the city. If he goes to work, I'm alone bored.
I'm here now for you.
Yes, Kalpana.
It's very nice meeting you, darling.
Same here.
Coming Sunday, you have to come home along with your hubby. A small dinner for you both, okay?
Okay, give me your mobile number.
818-99-42833.
Address?
Number 37, Main Road, Anna Nagar.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, what is this? You scared me.
When you're scared so much, why the doors are open? This is Chennai. You have to be alert.
Okay. I was preoccupied. Okay. You go wash your face and come. I'll get food ready, okay?
I don't have more to eat now. But first, that. Then I'll eat. Okay? Hey,
Darling, I want to tell you something. Ouch!
tell me.
Now coming Sunday, we are going to my friend's house.
Okay.
Do you know where? My friend Kalpana is in this city only. I met her at the shopping complex today. We are going to her house.
You never told me that you have a friend in Chennai.
I have told you now, right? Enough.
Okay. Your friend. Is she gorgeous than you?
Hey, what are you saying? I'll kill you now.
For me, you are the only beautiful girl in the world.
Mwah.
Come on, girls. How are you, ma?
Yes, uncle.
Are your parents doing fine?
Yes, uncle.
Lot of latest dresses have arrived. Select your favorite
Okay.
dresses. Go.
Yes, that one. Show me.
Excuse me,
Yes? What do you want?
this photograph.
Sharmili, I think you missed Kalpana's photo.
Oh. Thank you.
Oh, he's fully drunk and flat. Hey, Murugesan. Murugesan! Get up, man.
Who is that? Shiva?
Why are you sleeping like this? Are you fully booze? You didn't go to the work for the past 2 days?
It's all because of you.
Because of me? What are you saying?
Not blabbering, I'm telling you the truth. I met your wife and told her that you're a very good person. She shouted at me. My good time, she did not spit on me. I escaped. I was very upset. Came and started drinking.
Only Meena is scolding you. For that, no need to booze.
Alright. You also have your
Hey,
quota.
I cannot drink now. I need to go to Meena's friend Kalpana's house. I just came to see what you're doing.
Go. Why did you come here? You are going to your wife's friend's dinner party, but you won't listen to your friend. You will not drink for me, keep me company. So I am not important in your life.
Hey, I said I have to go to the dinner. It'll stink. So I'll avoid.
Hey, stop that. This is imported stuff. No smell.
You're not gonna leave me. Okay, give me a peg.
Hello, Kalpana.
What, Meena? It's already late. You didn't start yet? I'm waiting for you both. Come fast, okay?
Okay.
Wait, shh. 1 second. Meena. Tell me, Meena.
Where are you? Kalpana has called me twice already. You have to come now. It's raining also. Please come soon.
In my office, they gave me a last minute assignment. I'll finish that and I will be there within half hour.
It's already late.
I will come.
Okay, come soon at least.
Oh. She's not leaving me. Meena,
Where are you?
you do one thing. It's raining heavily. I know your friend's house. You catch a cab and go there. I'll come there directly.
Okay, fine.
Hey. Hey. Murugesan?
Hello? Who's that standing there? Who are you? Why are you standing here?
Are you Kalpana?
Yes.
I'm your friend Meena's husband, Shiva.
Oh, is it so? Where is Meena?
We thought of coming together only, but then it started raining so heavily, so I came here directly from office. Meena will also be here any moment.
I'm really sorry. I thought you're someone else. It's okay. Come inside.
It's okay, madam. I'll wait here till she comes.
If I make you wait here, she'll fight with me. Come inside, please. Please take your seat. Once again, I'll make a call to Meena. Please sit. Number not reachable.
It's raining heavily, so maybe the signal problem.
Wait for a second. Oh God, current cut. Please wait. I'll bring candle and come. Why you came here? What you?
Tell me, James. Amarnath, as you've told me, Kalpana's story has been finished. That's a good news. I'm very happy to hear that. I'll be meeting you tomorrow. All the other details will be spoken then. Okay.
कल्पना Oh my god! Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god! Oh my god, Kalpana! What happened, Kalpana? Oh my god, Kalpana! Kalpana! Oh my god, what happened? Meena, your husband Shiva stabbed me. He is the one. Oh my god. Tell me what happened. Come on. Tell me what happened, Kalpana. Tell me. Shiva stabbed your husband Shiva.
My dear wife, have you made that chutney which I really liked, my favorite one?
Not one chutney. I have made 5 of them. Coconut chutney, coriander chutney, tomato chutney, onion chutney and red chilli.
But you must have not put any salt, right?
Though you have BP, why are you going on eating salt like this?
Why is Meena calling at this time?
Meena?
Hello? Meena, why are you crying? Give the phone to Shiva now. What happened to you? Where is Shiva?
What happened?
Uncle, Shiva has murdered my friend Kalpana.
What? He's killed her? What are you saying, Meena? How did he do that, my dear?
Actually,
Tell me.
me and Kalpana are friends.
Don't worry about anything. You just be courageous, okay? We'll come there as soon as possible, okay? Okay, dear. Don't worry, nothing would have happened.
I can't understand anything. What will we do?
Don't cry now.
Excuse me. Hello. Were you the one who called us?
Yes, sir.
Who are you? How did this murder happen?
My name is Meena. This is Kalpana, my college friend.
Were you here when she was murdered?
No, sir. I live out of the city. My husband and I were supposed to come here today.
Don't cry. Be bold. Tell us what happened. Tell us.
Before I could start from my place, my husband came here and murdered my friend Kalpana.
How can you say that your husband killed her?
Actually, 5 minutes before Kalpana died, he wrote this letter. Sir, not only that, when I was about to enter, she was fighting for her life. And also, she told me that only my husband had murdered her. Only then she passed away.
Do you know where your husband is right now?
I don't know, sir. Today morning only he left home. Until now I haven't seen him. His phone switched off.
Where is he working?
He's working in an IT company.
Where is Kalpana's husband?
Her husband is working in Delhi as a manager. That's what Kalpana told me.
Constable,
Sir.
take a written statement from her.
Yes, sir.
Inform Kalpana's husband too.
Okay, sir.
203. Is the ambulance ready? Slowly.
Kalpana.
Cover the body.
Kalpana.
Please don't disturb her now.
How are you sure that your husband's only killed her?
Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she pass away.
Is dead Kalpana is related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know.
Where is your husband right now?
I don't know that.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Once again, I'm telling you, we are inquiring. We'll tell you whatever happens. Please don't disturb us now. Let's go. Bring it fast.
Sharmili, breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
I'm coming, Mom.
Come and sit. Have some more chutney. Eat, dear.
Enough, Auntie.
You said you don't like hostel food. Eat properly now. Eat. Tomorrow morning we are all going to the temple. You should also come.
I have a science test tomorrow.
Oh no.
You go ahead, Auntie.
I see.
Eat. Hey.
Sharmili, your mother has brought a gift for you. Did she ever tell you that?
Really, Daddy? Please, Mom. Tell me,
I
Mom.
won't tell you. Suspense.
In our city, a girl Kalpana has been murdered brutally by someone's husband. The murderer of the deceased Kalpana is none other than Kalpana's friend's husband Shiva, who works in a software company. Shiva is being searched by the police citywide.
Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she die.
Do Kalpana related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know. I really don't know. Mom, I'll go see her, Mom.
Hey, just keep quiet. Don't get into some trouble unnecessarily. Later on, the police will come in search of you. Tomorrow early morning, we should go to the temple, okay?
bloody hangover in the morning. This is unbearable, my God.
Look who's talking.
Huh?
This is the routine dialogue of all witches.
Shiva, did not you go home? Did you sleep here? Shiva, you have woke up on my face. See how lucky the day is going to be for you today, huh?
Shut up. I don't know how Meena is going to treat me now. I'll leave.
Before dying, Kalpana told me this. Only then did she pass away.
Is dead Kalpana is related to your husband in any ways?
I don't know. I don't know that.
Hey, she's saying I'm the murderer. Meena is saying that to the press. I don't understand anything.
Hey, you were staying with me in the room and sleeping here. How could have you killed someone?
Hey, don't play.
Hey, just for a joke, I told you looked at my face in the morning and it's going to be very good. Now your life is in danger, man. Who is going to believe if I say that you stayed with me the whole night, huh? Shiva, before the truth comes out, you should never be caught by the police.
Where's my mobile phone? I have to talk to Meena now.
Hey, stop it. This is all foolishness. She's announcing that you are a murderer, like she was a witness, and you want to step out and get caught by the police? Are you an idiot? Don't you understand the reality?
What do you want me to do now?
Immediately police is going to come here. You must escape before they come here.
Okay, where to go?
Oh my God, in the hangover, I don't know where I left my phone last night. Which idiot switched off my cell phone, huh? Hello, is it Tara?
Yes, tell me, where is Shiva?
He is with me here. His situation is very bad. You must help him.
You cannot stay here. I'll guide you with some other place.
All right. Yes.
I'll come there. You bring Shiva, okay?
I'll take him there immediately. Okay. Hey, let's leave.
To where?
There are no time for questions now. Leave. Hey, don't go that way. Police are waiting there. Come with me. I'll tell you. Come. Oh. Tara.
What, Murugesh? What
There
happened?
is no time for explanations. I watched the news on TV. I felt pressure under my stomach. Now, where is the bathroom? Tell me.
It's that side.
Okay, I'll come back. Please be ready with coffee.
Yeah, okay, fine.
My God, great relief. I saw the news on TV. It was the shock of my life. Look at my friend's face. Will he kill somebody? I thought his time was bad. Now I am very unlucky. All because of drinking that imported whiskey.
I definitely know you're not the one who did this murder. What happened?
I don't know who is that Kalpana. I saw her face only today morning, that too in the news. Meena wanted to go to Kalpana's house for dinner. I don't know anything more than that.
Anyhow, Shiva has become a murderer. Till we find the real murderer, we have to safeguard him and save him from the blame.
How it is possible? Meena herself says that he's the murderer. That's what I don't understand.
Look, you don't understand. I have understood. Either Kalpana is a bad girl or her husband should have killed her for the properties and wealth and should have left some evidence to blame Shiva. Give me just 2 days' time. I will find the murderer.
Who? You?
Why? I am capable of finding this. I am also not 88.
Shiva, in this situation, you cannot go out anywhere.
Tara, we cannot be here for a long time. Police will suspect us. If we move around with people, they will not suspect us at all. We have to leave fast. Hello, Shiva. Be very careful.
Shiva,
Huh?
be careful, please.
Tell me, sir.
I'm Kalpana's uncle, Amarnath. I had called you 5 minutes back.
Her husband hasn't come?
He's gone to America. He'll be back only after 15
Will you
days.
receive the body?
Okay, I'll do that.
Bhaskar, take his signature.
Where is the body, sir?
It's in the dicky. Guys, don't delay. Just do it fast. Come on. Take the shovel and put it inside.
Sir, please settle him.
Here, James. The money that you asked for. How much is it? 2 lakhs. You asked me to finish the work, and I have finished it properly. I opened his laptop and checked. Now I know all his secrets. This money will not be enough. I need 50 lakh rupees. What do you say? 50 lakhs?
Hey, James, are you playing?
I'm not playing Chandru. The one who played is Amarnath's son. Here, keep your money. Let's not talk anymore. If you give me the money I asked for, the evidence will reach your house. If not, I know how to get the money from you.
I'll take care of him. You don't worry, sir. What happened, sir? You're looking very dull.
What to do, Chandru? The love that I gave my son is actually backfired on me now. Because of the mistakes that my son did, I had to kill that girl also.
You just leave that matter, sir. Why are you getting tensed? He doesn't know about you, sir. You please listen to me. I will take care of James.
You told me that James is your friend, but now he's asking me for 50 lakhs. He doesn't seem to be a good guy.
Even we are also not very good now, sir. He doesn't have any relatives. He just bothered about money only.
He doesn't know who I am. I can be really bad.
Sir, please leave all that things. Please tell me what I have to do. I will do that. Or else if you want me to kill him, I will do that also.
Next to that Kalpana, let's make one more grave for him.
Sir, Mr. Bhajanlal. Are you Mr. Bhajanlal?
Yes, sir.
Software engineer Shiva was your tenant, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Do you know where he is now?
No, sir. I don't know, sir. He went from here after he got married himself, sir. Then in between he used to come, sir. But nowadays I don't know where he is. But to my knowledge, I don't think that boy would have done anything like this, sir.
There was someone called Murugesan as his roommate. Where is he now?
I don't know about him also,
Is
sir.
anybody else staying here?
No, sir. After that I have not given my house. Only we three are staying here now.
Sir, in this case, Shiva is absconding. If you know any details about him, immediately inform our station.
Surely I'll do it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, coffee.
No, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, my friend Chandru. Have you brought the money?
James, what you did with Ambernath sir is very wrong.
What is wrong, man? This is my business. His son has done big mistakes. That's why I asked for 50 lakhs. Listen, Chandru. The friendship between us is different and business is different. Give me the money.
Hey, give me the evidence.
Give me the money. Evidence will reach automatically.
Give me the money.
You please wait here. I'll come now.
Come out! I am calling you! Come out! Come out to destroy the evil spirits! Come on from the grave! Oh, breathe! Wake up! Oh, breathe, breathe! Oh, breathe, breathe! Oh! Come on! Kalpana, come on! Come out from the grave! Kalpana spirit, come out! Come out from the grave! Oh! Breathe! Breathe! Go! Go! Go, Kalpana, go! Go! Kalpana!
Hello, ma'am. How are you? You haven't come here for the past 2 weeks.
There's nothing special. We were out of station. That is why we couldn't come here. Today is my daughter's birthday. Give one garland.
Oh, really? She should lead a happy life.
Come, Sharmili.
Okay.
Sharmili, why are you standing here? Come on.
Hands off! You go first!
Hey man, give me another pack.
Sir, you're already drunk very much. Please leave home, sir.
Pouring is your job, drinking is my job. Pour me!
This is a big headache go, sir.
Sir, please give me a pick.
Sir, please understand, sir.
I won't listen you. Please give me
Why
a
are you
pick.
so adamant, sir?
He's not listening to me. Please pour me a pick.
What is the problem?
Nothing. He's a regular customer. But if he gets drunk, he becomes problematic.
What, man? What is your problem?
I did a very big mistake, bro.
Oh, what is that big mistake, brother?
I loved a girl, sir. That girl didn't understand my love and emotion, bro. So hereafter, please don't love a girl, sir. I beg you, I beg you. Why are you staring, man? Pour the peg, man. Tell him, sir. Pour it, man.
Shiva, who is this? Why you brought him here?
Even I don't know anything about him. When I was returning home, on the way I saw him. He was bleeding. That's why I brought him here.
Hey, why did you go outside? To save your life, we both are struggling out here? Why are you doing such nonsense?
Your situation is not fine now. You're not realizing that, Shiva. Please be careful. First, ask him to leave this place.
Try to understand the situation, Tara. He's not able to walk. In this condition, sending him out, I don't have a heart to do that.
Sir, I'm going, sir.
Hey, where are you going? Please, sit down. What you're saying is perfect, Tara. But he won't create any problem for me. I'll manage.
Shiva, I want to talk to you personally. Please come out.
Hey, still sitting here? Come out.
Shiva, police searching for you outside. At this time, that stranger shouldn't be here. Send him away. Please ask him to leave. Or shall I ask him to leave?
Shiva, you should understand your situation. I don't have to tell you about this. Send him out quickly, I'll tell you. If not, we all will be in trouble.
Okay, I'll take care of everything. Don't worry, you please go.
Tara, let's go. Come. He will never understand.
Hubby, I want to return back home. Along with Meena. What do you say?
What is it? You are going home?
Veni, what are you trying to say? Meena is a very young girl. She doesn't understand what she's saying. So, you also doubt my son, right? I'm telling one thing. Everybody listen to me. Till the time they prove that my son is a murderer, nobody will leave this city. And in case somebody wants to go, everybody go just right now. Leave from here. But I'm very clear. Only after I prove that my son is innocent, only then will I step into my village at any cost.
That is very correct. My opinion is also the same. He can't tolerate hunger. Who knows whether he has eaten? Where he is now? Dear, you both came very happily here. Who is that Kalpana? What is the relationship between them? Do you think your husband is the culprit? Tell me.
Kalpana's my friend. But I don't know the reason why Shiva murdered her. But when she was about to die, she told me that my husband murdered her. When the situation's like that, how can I not believe Oh God, Meena, what happened?
Meena,
Auntie,
what
please
happened?
check Meena.
What, Meena?
Meena,
What happened?
don't know what happened.
Meena, what is this? Do you know? My granddaughter has become pregnant now.
Excuse me, who are you? Why are you sitting here?
A car dashed my leg, that's why. Is there any hospital nearby?
There is no hospital nearby, but I have a guest house here. If you come there means I can do a first aid to you. Can you come? Then
Okay,
please come
sir.
and sit.
Okay.
Hey, careful. Slowly, slowly. Take care. Hold here. Shall we move? Come on, please sit down. Slowly, slowly. Oh, take rest. Relax, don't be scared. Wait, slowly, slowly. Do you want me to apply it? Then give it. Relax, don't be scared. okay right now? Okay. Are you feeling relief now? Let me keep it and come.
नक्षत्रे धनुरासो जातसे विजय बालाजी नामांसि जमानस्यः दीर्घायुष्याभिवृद्धिरस्तु ओम धनलक्ष्मी नमः दानलक्ष्मी नमः संदानलक्ष्मी नमः सौभाग्यलक्ष्मी नमः विद्यालक्ष्मी नमः विजयलक्ष्मी नमः वीरलक्ष्मी नमः धैर्यलक्ष्मी नमः राजाधिराजाय प्रतिगसाधने नमः वजम्बे श्रवणाय कुर्महे सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणे नमोऽस्तुते महालक्ष्मी प्रसाद बलसिद्धिरस्तु क्षेमो अस्तु नः।
How are you? Meena, there's some misunderstanding. Please try to understand what I'm saying. You know the truth. I never see your friend Kalpana in person. Then why should I murder her? Okay, even are you believing I'm the murderer?
How can I not believe her? While she was about to die, she told me everything. To top it all, she's even written a letter. If you have not murdered her, why are you hiding from the police?
Meena,
Why don't you go and surrender yourself?
I will tell you 100 times. There was no connection between me and that Kalpana's murder.
Okay, enough. Before you got married, you would have had many girlfriends, I know that. But I'm not bothered about that. You tried to take advantage of her, and when that didn't happen, I know that you murdered her. Only that would have happened. For the sake of having married you, I shouldn't even be alive. But for having married and lived with you, and now I am pregnant by you.
Meena?
Don't touch me. I don't even want your shadow to fall on my child. And that's why I'm going to apply for a divorce. For the sake of God, go away.
With this mindset, you won't understand whatever I say. I don't understand what's happening around me. But someday in your life, you will come to know that there is no connection between me and that Kalpana's murder.
This Challappan has given me so much trouble. Let him come back.
Sir?
Who is this man?
Sir, she told that she knows you very well. That's why I brought her here, sir.
Oh, is it? Okay, you go home. I'll take care of
okay.
it. You come. Sit down. I don't think that I have seen you ever before this.
But I know you very well.
Oh, really? Okay, just wait. I'll go get my car keys. So, shall we go?
Hey, your leg is hurt. Why you are straining yourself and climbing the stairs?
That's okay, Shiva. Shiva, can I ask you something?
Yeah, please go ahead.
She's helping us so much. Who exactly is this Tara?
My office colleague.
Oh, is it so? Would you mind if I tell you something?
Uh-huh.
Your wife herself is telling everywhere that you're the one who killed Kalpana. But this Tara, who's given you protection and a place to stay, looks like she really loves you.
What you're saying is 100% true. I never know Tara is in love with me. I thought she's just a friend. But in a TV show, she said she's in love with me. It created a huge confusion in my house. To avoid that, I married Meena. It was my mistake. I didn't understand Tara. I thought she's just playing around with me. But she didn't express her love, even in one incident. But now I'm in a tough phase. How I'm going to repay Tara, I don't know. I'm stuck in a huge problem. What if Tara was not ready to help me? I can't even imagine what would have been my situation now.
Hello?
Meena, are you feeling good now?
How can I feel good? I know where you are, and from now on, you cannot escape from me. If you have not committed this murder, why don't you surrender to the police? I'm giving you 1 day time. Go and surrender yourself to the police.
Oh, shut up, Meena. Are you not believing me? Somebody murdered your friend and I'm suffering here. And you're also hurting my heart very badly, Meena. That's enough, Meena. Enough. I don't want to create any problem for you. If my surrender will give you happiness, I will go and surrender now. Meena.
Excuse me, sir. One Mr. James came to meet you.
Send him in.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Who are you? Why have you come here?
My name is James. I am the one who killed the girl named Kalpana. It is me.
Are you the one?
But I put the whole blame on a person named Shiva. What exactly happened that day was... This is what happened, sir.
So, the guy who killed Kalpana is you, not Shiva.
Yes, sir. I am the one who murdered her. I am ready to accept any kind of punishment you give me, sir.
Constable,
Sir.
lock him up. We had to produce him in the court tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
My dear, why have you not had the milk? It's getting cold.
Please leave her, bro. It's up to her to drink or not.
May I speak to Mr. Praniyappan?
Yes, he is here. 1 minute. Inspector Devarajan is on the line.
Yes, tell me, Inspector.
In Kalpana's murder case, a guy named James has come and surrendered himself. We're going to take him to court tomorrow.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
This is a very good news, sir. I really don't know how to thank you, sir. This news will bring a lot of happiness to our whole family, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
What is it?
What,
What
bro?
did he say?
What happened? What did he
You
say?
know what?
Tell
You know
me.
what, my dear?
Tell
The
me
real
now.
murderer of Kalpana
Yeah.
has surrendered to the police.
Oh, God is so great.
Yes, yes. Tomorrow
know
morning,
you will not
the
do
police
this.
is going to produce that murderer in the court.
James? James!
Who are you?
I'm Amarnath sir's lawyer. I have come to take you out on bail.
At this time?
Come, whatever it is, we will go out and discuss.
Who are you? Where are you taking me? Come on, please, stop the vehicle. Just leave me. Don't do anything to me. Please leave me. Who are you? Leave me. Leave me
Don't
alone.
you know who I am?
Don't do anything to me.
I'm the Kalpana you murdered some days ago. Don't you know me?
Don't do anything to me.
Hey, in what way have I harmed you?
Please forgive me.
For my money? You blamed an innocent person.
Just leave me.
How could you do that?
No, don't do anything to me.
Why
Please
should
don't
I
kill
not
me.
kill you?
Please,
Do you know what happened to the people who
please
instigated
don't
you?
do anything. Please.
I've killed them. I've killed them all. Do you know what should happen to murderers like you? Your punishment should be like this.
Please don't do
You
anything.
will know what your life
Please,
is
please,
only when you
don't kill
yourself
me.
die.
Please, I won't do
You
it
will
again.
understand
Please,
only when
please,
you
please,
die.
please.
Where's James? James? Where did he go? James! 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 Hello? To whom I'm talking to?
Never mind who I am. Go to your place. Live happily with your wife Meena. Live happily with her. Sharmili, please forgive me. I'm sorry I used you to take revenge on those people who killed me. I'm a spirit, but even I have a heart. I will never forget you for all eternity, Sharmili.
Hi, dear Kalpana. My name is Sandodaran.
What? Tell me.
Actually, today I am feeling very happy.
Chandradhara, you are happy, but what about me? I have been murdered by those people and now my life is gone. What can I do now? That is why I took revenge on them in my own way.
See, Kalpana, this is modern generation. There are so many bad guys like this in this world. From today, I am going to wake up all the good spirits of the girls who are all affected like you and make them to take their revenge. Instead of the law, you proved that Shiva is innocent. Shiva and Meena are living together happily.
I will always punish anyone who does wrong.
Yes, you have to. Wherever you see, there are lot of sins like this happening in this world. Day by day, it is increasing. There is no fear of God. Wherever you see, there are rapes, murders, thieves, robbery. Because of that only I decided to wake up good spirit like you and punish them. I have only one request to you. This girl Sharmili is a very good and nice girl. Even you know that better than me. So please leave her body. It is my humble request to you.
I'll go. There's a fellow in Mumbai. I'll finish him off and then I will leave Sharmili's body.
Hey! Careful. Oh, hey, wait.